2018 Toyota Prius Prime doing the rear cargo light or the trunk light. It's this one right here. Basically, someone brought this in and it has the aftermarket LED light that keeps flickering. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to change it. The bulb, that is. You don't have to have an LED light to watch this video, even if you have a regular bulb that's burnt out. So you want to pop it out like that. There's a little plastic compression little spring you push down, and then you could pull it out. You want to disconnect this connector right here. There's a little button in the middle you got to push and then pull the white connector out. If you have fat fingers like me, it's going to be a little harder. Maybe use a flathead screwdriver or something. So here this is. Now this can be a little tricky to look at, but it's really quite simple. These sides of this little shell piece have to come up. You just kind of take a flathead or a butter knife or whatever, just pop the sides of this up, and then you'll be able to just pull this straight upwards and get it off. This is where your bulb is. Now this, as I mentioned, it's a LED. This is actually a low quality LED light that flickers constantly. But usually a bulb like this is in there, and these burn out, you know, they're common to burn out. So you want to put your new bulb in like that. And I'll put links to everything in the comments for new bulbs and a good quality LED bulb to put in if you want really bright lights. This will just kind of go over like that, back into place. You'll snap it into place like this. Like that, and then it's basically just all back together, guys. We'll put our connector in right here. Just push it in, make sure it's in all the way. Goes in like that, and then you'll put this side in first with the connector, and then you'll dip this side in, and then that little compression plastic piece will do it. So that's how you do it. Some side note, I had to turn the accessories on to get the light.
Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
Pretty good.